Recently, I contacted Groz USA about a 4.5-inch bench vise. Samantha was kind enough to respond back and said that the particular model was being phased out and she hoped I would be interested in testing a 6-inch portable wood vise. And I thought, well, that would be great to take to the range. And I'm going to zoom up so everyone can see the features before I clamp it down to the desk. Now I'd like to show everyone some of the details on this. You've got a screw here, and these are very sturdy. Clamps down to your tabletop or your bench. We're going to clamp it to the desk so everyone can see a little more about it. Put a little rag here so don't scratch the top of my desk. I believe everyone can see this is sturdy. It has provisions to put wood on it, but I prefer to use these vise jaws. They're magnetic. And we'll put this SIG slide in here just to show everyone what you can do if you need to work on your slide. You can see this is sturdy as can be. It's not going to move at all. Now if you want to polish up your knife, you can put it in here too. You won't have to worry about it moving on you if you're using a Dremel or by hand. Now I'd like to have a few final words. As you can see, this is a well-made product, and I really like the fact that it's portable. Take it to the range. Can't say enough about how nice she was about sending this. Go to the Groz USA website. I'll have a direct link to this product, and there will be a promotion code soon. Like and subscribe to their Facebook page. Like the Bearded Sharpener Facebook page. Subscribe to this channel, and please share it with all your friends. Till next time, hit the notification bell while you're at it. See you then.